Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here. Brian's behind the camera. Today we're featuring this brand new, this is a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. Now it is in the Sport S, which I'll point out a couple of the features that make it a Sport S and make this a really unique mid-size Jeep pickup truck. So underneath the hood here, check out this color, by the way, Sarge green, one of my favorite Jeep colors. But underneath the hood, we do have the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 hooked to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now that 8-speed automatic transmission is an option on this Gladiator. It does come standard with your 6-speed manual. Up front here, we know it's a Jeep. It's got the 7 slotted Jeep signature grills here. Has a couple tow hooks. You know, nice thing about a Jeep, if you see someone out in the ditch, you're going to be able to get them out, and those tow hooks are a good spot to hook up to. Got your fog lights down low there as well. Those fog lights also help when you're on the trail, just to help brighten it up. All right, let's come on around here. Notice here, it has painted fender flares. That is an option on this Sport S. Typically in Wrangler world, right, you have to go up to the highest trim, either a Sahara or a Rubicon, to get the painted fender flares. And I really just think it sets the tone for the outside of this Jeep, having those painted fender flares instead of a big piece of black plastic. Down here it does have Jeep wheels. They are 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires. Nice clean look there. Coming over here, we got some Jeep badging. We got our trail rated badging and Jeep Gladiator. Speaking of trail rating, this undercarriage there from the fuel tank to the transfer case, everything's going to have skid plates under it. So if you do want to do some off-roading on this, the undercarriage of this is going to be protected. Also, being a Jeep, you have the ability to take off the doors, right? How cool is that? And then this particular one has the 3-piece hardtop on top of here. So this is an option on this Jeep. Comes standard with a soft top. So the option would be the hardtop, and it's a 3-piece. So these front 2 pieces will come off like T-tops on your old Camaro, and then the back piece is the 3rd piece. Coming on back here, we have our fuel fill right here on the driver's side. Easy to get to. Again, painted rear fender flare as well. Now we get into the bed of the pickup. So Jeep trucks have been in demand for years, and Jeep finally has one in production, and it is a hot vehicle. Notice it has the dampening tailgate, which is the slow release tailgate. Plenty of room here if you want to throw your gear in the back of there, if you need some stuff at the home store for the weekend project, whatever you may need. There's a lot of nice stuff in there. Also, notice that it does have lights in the bed here, so you can light up that equipment. Has a few tie downs as well, so you keep your stuff from sliding all around. Now coming down here, this does have your Jeep badging as well as your backup camera, and then another tow hook here in the rear bumper. And then you have some wiring back here. You have your 4-pin wiring and your 7-pin wiring, as well as your towing receiver. That towing receiver is going to be an option on this Jeep that this particular one has, and it's a nice feature to have if you need to tow small trailers around. It's a great truck for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is new inside this brand new Jeep truck. All right, come on inside, check out this Jeep truck with me. What I love about this Jeep truck is it has a nice ride height level. You know, so many of the full-size trucks nowadays, I have to climb up in, even with the step guards and stuff to help you in. This truck sits at a nice level, so you don't have to climb in, nor do you have to climb or fall out of to get in and out of the Jeep. It's just at a nice ride height. Also, the other thing I always would like to mention on Jeep is resale value. Resale value on Jeeps historically is one of the highest amongst all other brands out there in the marketplace, and the Gladiator is going to stay true to that as well from what we've seen so far in the little bit of time it's been on market. All right, so we have room for up to 5 passengers in this. So it's a 4-door Jeep, plenty of room in the back. Hard top here. I mentioned these 2 top pieces come off. There's actually a nice bag to put them in so they don't get all scratched up. Also up top here in the roll cage, built in is going to be your sound bar system. That sounds super sweet, and I love having either the whole top off or these 2 front pieces off and just having that music blaring out in the summertime. It's really nice. As we get in here, some of the comfort features, this particular one does have the option cold weather package, which gives you the heated front seats and heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Also, when you jump up to a Sport S, you go from a 5-inch screen to this 7-inch color screen here, and also gives you the ability to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And what that is going to be when you plug your phone in, like I have here, into the USB, It's going to give you real-time navigation off of your phone, as well as all phone features, phone call, voicemail, text messaging, podcasts where you can listen to all from your phone. So that's really nice feature. The radio itself is an AM and an FM radio. And then you can get into climate controls. You can get into your heated seat, heated steering wheel controls, all right there. Down through here, if you like buttons and knobs, you have all those buttons and knobs for your radio, tuning, volume, heated steering wheel, temperature control, all that. Power window controls are all right here in the center. I mentioned your USB and aux port plug-in. You also have a 12-volt power plug-in and a nice slot down here where your phone stays put. Now, it does have a transfer case to go into, from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive. You can put it in 2 high, 4 high, or you can even go down to 4 low if you are off-roading, maybe going up some hills and stuff like that. 8-speed automatic transmission right here. Couple beverage holders. And then in the middle of the beverage holders is a spot that the key rests, which I like. Keeps the key in place as a push button start. And on the key here, you notice it has lock, unlock, and this particular one is equipped with remote start and panic. On the steering wheel, you have some nice controls. You have your cruise control right here at your right thumb. And then back here, you have some hidden controls, volume and tuning for the radio, so your hands can be on the steering wheel pretty much at all times. Automatic headlights. And all around, just a really comfortable feel. Vehicle drives really good, gets pretty good fuel mileage for what it is too. So if you've been looking for one of these, we definitely welcome you to come out and take a test drive on it. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Jeep definitely hit it out of the ballpark on these Jeep Gladiator trucks. So come see us soon, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks for hanging out with us a little bit today, and hope you have a great remainder of your day.